A very good morning to everyone. I'm on my way to Los Angeles, California. There in the distance you can see the mountains. At the foot of the hill, the town Flagstaff, Arizona sits. I'm still in Arizona at the moment. I have to go through those mountains to get to California. But look at how low the clouds are hanging over the mountains. I've got a terrible wind coming from my left hand side, pushing the vehicle all over the road at the moment. And then that's my GPS. I've got 474 miles still to go to get to my offloading point. And my drive time on my ELD computer sits at 6 hours and 47 minutes. But I've got a compulsory stop of a half an hour which I have to take, which will add more drive time onto that ELD. Once I do that, I can only drive a total of 11 hours per day. But that's my view this morning. Hope you enjoy it.